Let's talk shop, fellow PV professionals. Which key points do you focus on when using an app tester? I have recently been using the Yaohua Laser for tester. Many people judge the quality of modules solely by their Pmax value. In fact, this is far from enough. Actual testing shows that these points are the real key factors. Parameter accuracy. It features extremely low measurement errors for SCC, VC, and FF. Compare with the standard values and directly eliminate modules with excessive deviation, curve details, even minor curve sagging and slope abnormalities. All of these can be captured by its curve acquisition function. Data traceability. One-click report, export, saves test data of every component for file records, effectively avoiding disputes during acceptance. I'd like to ask everyone, when you use the live tester, which feature do you value the most? Have you ever encountered cases where the parameters are qualified but the curve is abnormal? Drop a comment below. Let's avoid common pitfalls together.